Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this Walmart Spark driver review. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have Walmart Spark in your area. If you don't know what Walmart Spark is, it's a gig delivery paying app where you actually pick up groceries from Walmart and you deliver them and you get paid. And so with Walmart Spark, my experience has been that the payouts have been higher compared to other delivery apps. There are a lot of good incentives and bonuses as well. So if you can get into Walmart Spark, I highly recommend you do so. It's a simple process. You don't need to shop. You just need to pick up the groceries and then deliver them to the house. In addition to that, curbside pickup can be fast and it could also be contactless. So you just show up where Walmart pickup is. The Walmart employees place the groceries in your car and then you drive off and drop off the groceries. Now with some cons with Walmart Spark, sometimes when you park at the grocery store, it does take a while for the employees to come out with your groceries. That's like with every Walmart that I've been to. In addition to that, there are some app glitches and GPS issues with the Walmart app, so I recommend using your own iPhone app or Google Maps or Waze. In addition to that, let's see what else. Deliveries can be far with low pay, so you just have to look out for those. Like one time I delivered literally a car full of groceries and I didn't even get tipped, and it was like a third floor apartment. So I'd say be on the lookout for apartments, third floor houses, and basically delivering to any areas where you feel like they might not tip. But overall, I'd say Walmart Spark, it does pay a lot better compared to other gig delivery apps. And the payouts are more, but sometimes they take longer as well. Like you might need to do 3 grocery deliveries with 1 order. But with my final verdict, is Walmart Spark worth it? I definitely would recommend it. It's one of my favorite gig delivery apps. You don't have to pick up food. You just have to deliver groceries for a higher amount, and then you also get tips as well from delivering those groceries. I think people who would benefit from this gig are people who have the extra time. Like even delivering like 2 or 3 grocery deliveries per day would make you like an extra, I don't know, like 80 to 100 bucks. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.